Hi, hello, welcome to IS Factors Daily Mains Challenge, and this is day 12. I hope you're all writing your answers. So keep up the spirit, and this is how mains answer writing is won in the first time. So keep writing, and let's go with me, Arjun R. Shankar. Let's take the strategy session. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Telegram. So let's take the 20 minutes challenge, learn the topic in 20 minutes, and then write the answer. And let's get into today's question. Here we go. Mission Mausam was in the news. The Union Minister Jitendra Singh is chairing his high level meeting to review Mission Mausam and implementation with the Earth Science and IMD officials. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mission Mausam, India's weather forecasting system is being substantially augmented to be one of the global best standards. So, a lot of things like automated weather station, uh, Mission Mausam is in the news, and this is something that we have to be finding it out. And one more thing, Mission Mausam was also an old mission. This time it is actually the ministry, the IMD official, it has to do with the climate and weather forecasting. But previously there was another Mission Mausam which was launched by the Ministry of Culture of Maritime Heritage. So that is a different mission. This is entirely to do with weather forecasting. The government launches a 2000 crore mission Mausam to enhance climate monitoring. Take a look at this. What is this institution? The National Institute of Ocean Technology, NIOT, and what is INCOIS? All of this, the Ministry of Earth Sciences, all of them have come up with the concept of Mission Mausam. In a bid to boost weather forecasting, IMD floats global tenders for 10 wind profilers. So Mission Mausam is everywhere. A lot of news have come, so that makes it important. So let's break the strategy session. First of all, you need to know what is this Mission Mausam. Launched by the Ministry of Earth Sciences and Indian Meteorological Department IMD, you need to upgrade India's weather forecasting infrastructure and observation system. So why is it important? Is because India is definitely having a lot of issues when it comes to disasters, especially unpredictable climate things. As you have an unpredictable cyclone coming in, you have an unpredictable flood coming in. So all these things, hazards, especially in the multi hazards, are not new to India. That's why we need to upgrade our infrastructure. That is the reason why Mission Mausam was created. And what it strengthens India's weather forecasting, whether it is cyclone, flood, rainfall, lightning, heat waves, or even monsoon behavior. The weather forecasting infrastructure needs to be upgraded as per the latest technologies. So, why do you think Mission Mausam was created? What is the important aspect of Mission Mausam? What are some of the, and how does it really strengthen the infrastructure of India? When Mission Mausam comes, there should be something. There is something else which is going to upgrade the system. What are these things? We have to find it out. And how do you think it is transforming the IMD's infrastructure? A lot of modern radars, AWS, automatic weather stations. Even in the article, take a look at this. Even in the article, it was given. Take a look at the second article below. Automated weather stations and Doppler radars are being added. So even for prelims perspective for the UPSC, you need to just find it out. What exactly is this? You have the AWS, not the Amazon Web Services, but the automatic weather stations, rainfall monitoring, ocean data system, better numerical models, and what is this concept of, and even Doppler radar. That makes it. What is a DWR? The Doppler weather radar expansion. You must have seen something. So normally we hear across a lot of things, but we do not go and find it out. What is this? How does it operate? What is the real purpose of using this? So this time, have an idea about the Doppler weather radar. Learn about this and also understand it from the prelims perspective. If even if you get a MCQ question, you need to eliminate the options. So know about the Doppler weather radar expansion system, and a lot of observation network modernization is done as a part of the infrastructure upgradation, like AWS, ARG, automatic rain gauge, a lot of radiation instruments, GPS based profilers, CBOIS, and what is this ocean observation network like INCOIS. So knowing about INCOIS is also important for the prelims. So learn how which of the following networks are being modernized, upgraded infrastructure. All these things needs to be learned. And why it is important? Because India is the world's most disaster prone large country. More than 70% of the districts face extreme weather situations. So IMD must upgrade for climate resilience. So these are the important things. When you have a country like this, which is actually at a tipping point like this, our infrastructure should also be in touch, also be in terms with the upgrading. That is why we need to go ahead. So that is something, remember that. And monsoon forecasting is equal to national priority, because we don't see certain things as a national priority, but monitoring and managing the monsoon forecasting is very, very important, because if not, there will be a huge disasters. So water security, agriculture, hydropower, urban planning, monsoon is forecasting is very, very important. So, and what do you think will be the expected outcomes of creating Mission Mausam? And obviously, when you have the challenges, that is not an easy thing. When you say you need to upgrade the infrastructure or create a climate resilient system, that is not at all easy. There are a lot of challenges. So what do you think is the challenges? So these are some of the important dimensions that you have to find it out. And now, ready for the question. Here we go. Day 12, we have a 10-mark question with 150 words. That means 2 pages. Day 12, let's see. Mission Mausam aims to overhaul India's weather observation and early warning system. Discuss how improved meteorological infrastructure can reduce disaster vulnerability in a climate unstable India. So take a look at this. Let's break the question. Write an introduction, and there's 2 pages. Write an introduction, and the next part you should mention how Mission Mausam is changing, aims to overhaul or change the weather observation and early warning system. What changes do you think Mission Mausam is going to bring about? And immediately the next half of the question, how the new infrastructure as per Mission Mausam can reduce the vulnerability in an unstable climate. So how do you think that we are going to bring that? And at the last, write a small conclusion. So this is how you should break the question. 10 marks, 150 words. Keep writing. So try out this question and do subscribe to our channel IS Factor. See you tomorrow with the next topic. Thank you.